All right, let's build a powerful marketing system in Claude. Here's your plan for the next 3 days. Does this sound familiar? You try a few prompts, get mad results, and think AI is all hype. But here's the thing. The problem isn't the AI, it's how you're using it. So you might be using it like a search engine. The pros, they build a system with memory. So why Claude for this? What makes it the right tool for building a marketing system? Well, its writing just sounds more human. Plus, it can remember a massive amount of information. And that's the big mindset shift. You're not just asking questions, you're building an asset. So here's the game plan. A simple 3-day sprint to get your whole system up and running. Let's start with day 1. This is, without a doubt, the most important step of all. First, you'll create a new project, give it your brand info, and upload your best documents. And get specific here. Add your brand voice, who your audience is. You get the idea. And just like that, you've solved the cold start problem. No more repeating yourself. Okay, on to day 2. Now we're going to plug your live data directly into Claude. Let's connect the tools you live in every day, like Google Drive, Slack, or maybe HubSpot. So you can ask about, say, a spreadsheet in Drive without ever leaving the chat. Day 3 is where it gets really cool. You're going to create your first reusable skill. What's a skill? Think of it like a little expert you can call on with a simple command. To make one, just show Claude a few examples of your best writing and ask it to learn. Now, a single hashtag gives you that perfect brand voice for an email, a post, anything. So you might be wondering, what's the real payoff for setting all this up? Well, first off, your system actually gets smarter the more you use it and correct it. And the impact on speed is just huge. Teams are seeing a massive drop in production time. We're talking a 60 to 75% reduction in time for all kinds of creative tasks. So remember, this isn't a tool you just try out. It's a system you build. Ready for day 1?